In this problem, a small block is kept on an inclined plane of adjustable inclination. Coefficient of static friction and kinetic friction are mu s and mu k. The angle of inclination of the plane is gradually increased from 0 until the block starts sliding. How much speed will the block require? How much speed will the block acquire in sliding down a distance L? So initially this angle theta is 0, then it is increased gradually. Let's say now the angle is theta dash. So this angle is increased till this block starts sliding down. So in this direction there will be a force mg sine theta, and in this direction, which is normal to the inclined plane, there is a force mg cos theta, and friction will be acting in this direction. Fine. So initially friction is more than this mg sine theta, but as theta increases, this mg sine theta force will increase. So eventually this mg sine theta force will overtake the frictional force, so this block will start sliding. Then what we have been asked in the problem is that what will be the speed of block when it travels a distance L on the inclined plane. Fine. So let's see how to proceed. Uh, so when this block will start sliding, let me write the forces in the FBD. So normal will be equal to mg cos theta. Fine. And frictional force will be equal to mg sine theta. Once the block will start sliding, this angle won't be increased further. This angle is increased till the block starts sliding. So when the block starts sliding, frictional force will be equal to mg sine theta, and friction I can write as mu static into normal. Fine. So I will put the value of normal here. So mu s mg cos theta equal to mg sine theta. This mg and this mg will cancel out. So mu s will be equal to tan theta. Then once the block starts sliding, the static friction will stop acting. Once the block starts sliding, now we will encounter kinetic friction. So when the block is sliding, kinetic friction will be applied. So because the forces on the block are constant and not variable with time, so I can use the equations of motion. Like, what equation of motion will help us solving this problem? V square minus u square equal to 2as, because we know this distance, this is L, given in the problem. Acceleration we know, and we have to find the final velocity, and this initial velocity is 0. Okay, so v square equal to 2al. Now what is this acceleration? So for acceleration, this is the inclined plane, this force is mg sine theta, and in opposite direction to this force, mu k into mg cos theta will act. Fine. So acceleration will be mg sine theta minus mu k mg cos theta by m, which is equal to g sine theta minus mu k cos theta. Now put this value in here. So v square equal to 2g sine theta minus mu k cos theta. into L. Now we require to put the value of sine theta and cos theta here. So from equation 1, this equation, we know the value of tan theta. So from this equation we can find the value of sine theta and cos theta. So mu s square equal to tan square theta. Add 1 on both sides. So this is equal to sec square theta. So cos theta will be equal to 1 by 1 plus mu s square. Fine. And from equation 1, cot theta equal to 1 by mu s. Just reciprocal this equation. So cot square theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 by mu s square. What's this? Cosec square theta equal to this. So sine theta will be equal to mu s under root 1 plus mu s square. Now put this sine theta and cos theta in this equation to get the answer. So v equal to under root 2gl. Sine theta is mu s 1 plus mu s square under root plus mu k. Mu k into mu k by 1 plus mu s square. This sign is minus sign. So v equal to under root 2gl by under root 1 plus mu s square into mu s minus mu k. So this is our answer.